Hi guys, it's me again. You can see I got glasses, but don't mind that, it's okay. So today we are gonna be doing a smoke detector drill. It's nighttime, but I don't care. It's okay with everyone. They already know, but the next time I do it, they're not gonna know. But I'm not gonna be taking a video of it. It's just gonna be this time. Okay, so, we'll see about that. So let's test it. It will go off in a sec. It just takes a while.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide?
Oh, these alarms. Oh. Okay.
She was like, ah.
One more time to test to make sure they're working. Because we just moved into this house. You know what I mean? So. It's loud.
Fire.
Fire.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Okay. It's all done with. No more alarms. So, that's it. So, thanks for watching. Bye.